Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, who is 8 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She is a level 3, level 4, which means she can walk with two hands held well, kind of tricky with one hand held. She can walk with a walker but needs help to steer. For long distances, she needs a wheelchair. So Alexis is working on walking down the stairs as well safely. Her left hand is her better hand, so on the way down these stairs, this railing is set up in a good position. Alexis, can you hold on, please? You need to hold on. All right, we're going to walk down, Alexis. Nice job. 1, hold on, sweetie. Uh-oh, Alexis, you're not holding on. You need to hold on and stand up. Alexis, we're holding on. You're holding on. Thank you. Let's go down. Step down, big girl. Alexis, look at where you're stepping. Alexis, look at your feet. Nice job, Alexis. That was a good one. Nice job, Alexis. One more. Nice job, Alexis. So this is just a way that I can work with Alexis. When kids need more support, I have to sit on the step behind them to help them. But Alexis has progressed beyond that, and now she can hold on to the rail with her better hand to be able to walk up and down the stairs. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.